Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 8.2. Question number 7 says a milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. One milkman is there who sold 2 of his buffaloes, each for rupees 20,000. On one he made a gain of 5% and on the other loss of 10%. Now when he sold 2 buffaloes, one of the buffaloes he got the profit, gain means profit of 5%, and on the other one he got the loss of 10%. Next is find his overall gain or loss. What we have to find? We have to find the overall gain, whether if it is overall profit or overall loss that we are supposed to find. Students, here they have told that the milkman has sold, that means the selling price of the 2 buffaloes are 20,000 each. And we have to find the profit or loss. We have to say whether if it is for profit or loss and give the amount of profit and amount of loss. And for doing that, we must be knowing 2 values. That one is selling price and the cost price. That is the total cost price and total selling price. Here they have given us the selling price. We don't have the cost price. So we are supposed to find the cost price. Also they have given the hint also that find cost price of each. So let us start. Here since they have given us 2 buffaloes, so we will solve for each buffalo one by one. So we will write like this: for buffalo 1. For buffalo 1, what they have given us? Selling price. But do we have cost price? So we will let the cost price be as X. Let the cost price be rupees X. What else they have given us? Selling price is equal to rupees 20,000. Now in first buffalo he have get the profit of 5%. So since we have got profit of 5%, we can find profit amount. So profit amount is equal to 5%. 5% of what? Of total cost, of the cost. But do we have the cost? No. Instead of that we will write X. So 5 divided by 100 into X. Now we will cancel out 5 1s are and 5 20s are. So we will get X 1s are X divided by 20. This is our profit amount for the buffalo 1. Now as we know that when there is a profit, then selling price, formula for selling price is always cost price plus profit amount. And what is cost price? Cost price is X plus profit amount is X divided by 20. And we know selling price. What is the selling price? 20,000. So we will put the values and solve for X. 20,000, 20 will be LCM, so we will get 20x plus x, which will give us 21x. 21x divided by 20. Therefore this 20 will be multiplied over here, so we will get 20,000 into 20 is equal to 21x. Since we have to find x, we will keep x as it is and bring the 21 over here this side, so it will be divided. On solving it further, we will get 2 2s are 4 and 4 plus 1 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 and 5 divided by 21. Now dividing this, we will get our cost price. So I am writing 4 5 zeros divided by 21. 21 ones will give me 21. 40 minus 21 is 19. This 0 will come down. 21 tens is 210. So 21 nines we will take, and it will give 189. Here 1 will left. This 0 will come down. But when we see this is 10, which is less than 21, so we will put here 0. So 21 zeros will give me 0. So we will get 10 as it is. Now taking this 0 down, 100. 21 fours is 84. So if we subtract 100 from 84 from 100, we will get 16. Bringing another 0 down, we will get 160. 24 sevens, because 24 eights will become 168, which is greater than 160. So we will get 21 sevens 147. So the remainder is 13. Now since we don't have any 0 further, we will place 1 point. While placing the point, we will get 1 0. So moving further, we will get 21. Let me calculate. 81 is 4 189 7 6 21 6 will give me 120 plus 6 126. Let me guess. 21 26 120 and 6, yes, 126. 4 again, since there is point, we will get 0. 21 ones will give me 21. So our remainder is 19. Now we will not move forward further because we have got 2 decimal points. So our cost price is X is equal to 19,047.61 rupees of first buffalo. Now for solving second buffalo, for buffalo number 2. Now since we have taken this as X, they have not given us that cost price are the same, so we will suppose it as Y. Let the cost price be rupees Y. SP is same, so we will put 20,000, and here it is loss, so we will find loss amount is equal to how much loss is there? 5%. 5% on what? 5% of the cost. So 5 divided by 100 into cost. Cost is Y. So we will find 5. Sorry, it is 10%. I made mistake. It is 10%. So 0 0 will cancel out. So we will get 5 Y ones are Y divided by 10. This is the loss amount. Now when there is loss, we get SP is equal to cost price. Cost price minus loss amount. What is cost price? It is Y that we have assumed. Minus loss amount is Y divided by 10. On solving it further, we will get 10 as LCM. So 10 ones are 10 into Y is 10Y minus Y. It will give us 9Y divided by 10. So we got SP is equal to 9Y divided by 10, but we also have selling price, that is 20,000 is equal to 9Y divided by 10. On solving it further, we will multiply 10 to this side. So we will keep 9Y as it is, multiply 20,000 with 10, we will get 2 lakh. 2 and 5 zeros. Therefore 9y is equal to 2 lakhs. Therefore y is equal to 2 lakhs divided by 9. Taking it to next page or solving here for the division. First we will take two numbers because 2 is less than 9. So 9 2s are 18. We will get 2 as remainder, taking 0 down. Again 9 2s are 18. Again 2 0, 9 2s are 18. Again 2, taking 0 down, 9 2s are 18. Again 2, taking the last 0 down, we will get 20. So 9 2s are 18. Again 2, but right now we don't have any 0, so we will place point. For that we will get 0. Again 2, 18 and so on. So our answer will be y is equal to 22,222. That is the selling price. Selling price is 22,222. Therefore y is equal to 22,222.22. This is the selling price of the second buffalo. Now cost price, sorry, it is cost price. Total cost is equal to, first it was 19,047.61 plus 22,222.22. On adding them, let me just add it here. 19,047.61, 22,222.22, 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 2 8, 9, 6, 2, 11, 1 carry, 41,269.83. This is the total cost. And what is total selling price? Total SP is equal to 20,000 plus 20,000 because there is 2 buffaloes. So total will give us 40,000. Here you can clearly see that CP, that is cost price, is greater than selling price. Therefore what it will be? Therefore then it is a loss. So how we will calculate? Therefore loss is equal to CP minus SP. What is CP? 41,269.83 minus 40,000. So our value will be 1,269.83. Loss, overall loss, that is total loss. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand it properly. It is the same question as we have done question number 5. Here they have not given us cost price. In question number 5 they have not given us selling price. That is the difference. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.